Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about tautological implication. This is very important to understand in order to understand our next classes. At the end, we are going to discuss what's the meaning about this tautological implication. So, watch till the end. Now, coming to this today's class, let's take two propositions. There is a proposition. It is compound proposition or simple atomic statement, whatever it is, but it is a proposition. We name it as A implies. Another proposition, we name it as B. So, A implies B if it is a tautology. Tautology means all the true values you are going to get. That is what tautology means. If it is a tautology, then A implies B is tautologically implied. That is what tautological implication means. With example, we are going to check. Let's take one proposition. A proposition is this one. P conjunction P implies Q. Another proposition B as Q. See, it's a simple statement Q. So, A implies B. If it is a tautology, then we say it as A implies B is tautologically implied. Let's check the truth table. We are not again discussing about how we are going to get this truth table. We already did multiple examples in our previous classes. So take the PQ values. These are the true values. And P implies Q. First we are going to get P implies Q. These are the values we got. Next P conjunction P implies Q. These are the values you got. And now we got the statement for A. This is the true values for truth values for A. A implies B. B means Q. True, which is going to be true. If it is false, always true. False implies true. False implies false, which is going to be true value. So now A implies B is a tautology. So now we can say that A implies B is tautologically implied. But the meaning you need to understand from this tautological implication, what's that meaning is, if A is true, meaning this entire proposition is true. If it is true, then B must be true. Then only A implies B is going to be a tautology. Otherwise, it will not happen. So, this is the point you need to understand. If A means this entire proposition is true, if A is true, then B has to be true. Then only A implies B is going to be a tautology. Because implies, that is what the meaning of implies. If P is true, then Q has to be true. This point you need to understand. We are going to use this point in our next class. Hope you understand what tautological implication means. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.